Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily report groups in Google Groups. Let's begin. So, Groups on Google provides reporting tools that allow users to flag groups that may violate policies or contain inappropriate content. So, I want you to open up Google Groups and from here select the group you would like to work on, click on it. Then once you're in, you will notice this icon right over here on the far right side, right? It will say report. Click on it. From here, you can read everything on here, and this is actually where you will select what type of violation you think this group has committed. For example, spam, some hateful or violent content, personal or private information leaks, motions, illegal content, or other, right? So I'm not going to actually report my group, but once you've successfully selected the appropriate choice, go ahead, click on submit report. Then from there, you can now simply check and be patient. Just go into your Gmail and see if you got any response from Google at all. It might take, let's just say, 1 to 7 business days. Just uh, there's actually no approximate time so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So reporting any group only takes a few moments and can be an important step if you come across spam, abusive content, and policy violations. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.